Think you're doing lateral raises correctly? Be honest, most people think this is a simple lift the dumbbells to the side movement. But here's a little known secret. Doing it wrong can wreck your shoulders, overwork your traps, and completely stall shoulder growth. If your arms swing wildly, your neck tightens, or your shoulders ache after every set, it's probably not the dumbbell's fault, it's your form. Stick around because in the next 15 minutes, we'll completely transform how your shoulders work and look. You might be surprised to hear this, but lateral raises are one of the most commonly botched exercises in the gym. People underestimate it because it seems simple. Pick up a dumbbell, lift it to the side, done. But if done incorrectly, you're basically training the wrong muscles. Your traps might be doing all the work, your rotator cuff might be under strain, and your side delts might barely fire at all. Think about it like this. Your delts are like the small but crucial engines of a sports car. If you miswire them, you're wasting horsepower, and your car, your shoulders, will never run at full potential. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using too much weight. This is the biggest mistake. Many lifters assume heavier is better. But when the weight is too heavy, your body cheats. You lean back, swing the arms, and the traps take over. Instead of sculpting the delts, you're just moving dumbbells with momentum. Ask yourself, if the dumbbells disappeared mid-rep, would you fall backward? If yes, the weight is too heavy. 2. Shrugging the shoulders. Ever see someone lift their arms and their shoulders creep toward their ears? That's traps hijacking the exercise. The lateral raise should isolate the side delts, not train your traps. Imagine hiring someone for a specific job and another person doing all the work. Your delts are getting lazy while your traps overwork. 3. Lifting too high. Many think that going higher equals better growth. Wrong. Raising your arms above shoulder. Height shifts tension away from the delts and onto your traps and rotator cuffs. Less is more. Stop at shoulder level, feel the delts burn, and leave the ego at the door. 4. Jerky motion and swinging. Speed kills in lateral raises. Jerky movements reduce muscle engagement and increase injury risk. Think about moving slow and controlled, like you're carefully pouring water into a glass without spilling. This controlled lift principle is the key to unlocking proper delt activation. Before you even touch a dumbbell, brace your core. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, shoulders back. Pretend a string is pulling the top of your head to the ceiling. Your spine should feel neutral, not arched or rounded. Why? Your core is the foundation. Imagine a skyscraper. If the base is wobbly, the top collapses. A solid core ensures your delts do the work, not your lower back or traps. Even minor deviations in posture can make a huge difference in muscle activation. Most beginners keep their arms completely straight. This puts stress on the elbows and reduces delt activation. Keep a slight bend in the elbows, about 10-15 degrees. It's subtle but effective. Tip: picture holding 2 cups of water. You don't want to spill a drop forward or backward as you lift. That's your wrist and elbow alignment. This small tweak alone fixes half of common mistakes. The perfect lift, step by step. Grab light to moderate dumbbells. Keep your core braced. Slight bend in elbows, palms facing down or slightly forward. Lift your arms outward, not upward, stopping at shoulder height. Pause 1 to 2 seconds at the top to maximize tension on the side delts. Slowly lower back to starting position. Never let the weights drop. Think slow and controlled, heavy and sloppy. Instead of thinking about lifting the dumbbells with your hands, push the elbows outward using your shoulder muscles. Your hands are passengers. Your elbows lead the motion. This subtle shift will instantly make the exercise feel more challenging and effective. Exhale while lifting. Inhale while lowering. This helps maintain core stability, prevents unnecessary neck tension, and supports smooth, controlled movement. Holding your breath or shallow. Breathing is a common reason for discomfort during lateral raises. Wrong versus right, feel the difference. Wrong. Jerky, swinging, shrugging, traps burning. Right. Smooth, controlled, tension on side delts, traps relaxed. The difference is night and day. Proper form isn't just about aesthetics. It's about injury prevention and longevity. Once you have form down, manipulate tempo. Lift for 2-3 seconds, pause 1 second at the top, and lower for 3-4 seconds. This slow, controlled tempo increases time under tension, which is key for muscle growth. Tip: it's not about doing more reps, it's about doing smarter reps. For experienced lifters, don't fully rest at the bottom. Stop just short of letting the weights touch your sides. Keep tension on the delts the whole set. This small tweak can massively improve muscle engagement. You can also try partial reps at the top to maximize the pump, and fully fatigue the side delts without overloading the shoulders. Focus on feeling the muscle work. Visualize the side delts contracting as you lift. Small mental cues like spread elbows apart or push elbows outward help you connect mind to muscle. This is often overlooked, but is one of the fastest ways to improve results. The proper way to do lateral raises. Light to moderate weight. Core braced, neutral spine. Slight bend in elbows. Lift outward, not upward. Stop at shoulder height. Slow tempo with pause at the top. Controlled lowering. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Master this and your delts will finally fire the way they're supposed to. Grab lighter dumbbells than usual. Pause the video. Do 10 perfect reps focusing on elbows leading. No swinging, shoulders down. Feel the difference? That burn is your side delts finally working correctly. Do this consistently and you'll see better shape, strength, and shoulder health in weeks. Shoulders aren't built by lifting the heaviest dumbbells you can find. They're built with precision, patience, and consistency. Every controlled rep is a step towards stronger, wider, healthier shoulders. Stick to the plan, refine your form daily, and you'll not only look better but feel better every time you lift your arms. Remember, it's not about lifting heavy, it's about lifting smart. Your delts deserve the right work, not the ego. Keep practicing. Keep perfecting. Your shoulders will thank you.